Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are here for the comparison review of the latest smartwatch from iTel, the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch, and we'll compare it with the Storm Ultra, also known as the O23. Again, we do have here the O23 Plus, and this one is the O23. On this video, we are going to compare the design as well as the specifications of both wearables. So we'll check and let's see if what is the difference between the two. So what is the upgrade for our O23 Plus compared to the O23? So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearable, if you are planning to buy one, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch and compared it with the iTel Storm Ultra, the O23 smartwatch. So we have here, okay, the packaging, okay, the same size here. We do have a preview of the wearable, some features here, okay, compact, lightweight, and durable. We do have the specs here at the back. Okay, so as you can see here, ISWO23, and the other one is the ISWO23P. Okay, from iTel. Both do have a pogo pin, charging cable. So we do have here the support app for the wearable. We also have here the QR code for the smartwatch. Okay, so again, this is our O23 Plus, the latest, and the other one is the O23. So before we proceed with the specifications and design, let's go first with the dimension. Okay, so we have here 0, 0. Let's see without, we are not going to measure the button here. We'll just measure the frame here, okay, on this part. So we have here 39.8, again 39.9, the other one 39.6, just a minor difference. For the length, 47.8, we have 49, again 47.8, or we can say 48. The other one 49.0. So for the thickness here without the sensor, it is 10.7. The other one, the 23, we have 10.5. Overall, they only have a minor difference when it comes to the size. Let's check out the weight. For the O23 Plus, we have 59.73. For the O23, we have 58.93. Just 1 gram difference. Okay, so that's it for the dimension and weight. So let's check out the specifications before we proceed with the design and the UI. So we have here a preview of the specifications at the back. Again, the model name is ISW O23P and the other one is the ISW O23. We have here the screen size 2.04 inch TFT with a 320 by 380 pixel resolution. The other one we do have a 2.02, okay, just a bit smaller compared to the O23P, the same TFT, and we do have the almost the same pixel resolution, 320 by 390. For the battery, bigger battery for our O23 Plus, we have 350 mAh. For the Storm Ultra, we have 300 mAh. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating. For the Bluetooth version, we have 5.3, 6.0, more advanced for our ISWO23 Plus. It is using the same application. We do have here the iPulse app. It is also using the iPulse application. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions and a Bluetooth call support. Right? So after our specifications, okay, I'm going to put it here to make it clear. The specs before we proceed with the design. The specs for our Ultra or the O23 and here for the O23 Plus. Okay, so let's proceed with the design. Both do have a metal body frame, as you can see here. Both do have a crown button and a side button. This one is somewhat inspired by the Apple Watch, Smartwatch, while this one, okay, is more polished here, more unique compared to this one. Okay, so this button here is for sports. Let's see with this one. Yes, it's also for sports functions. At the back, almost the same here with a pogo pin. Then on the side, so flat body frame here, while for our Storm Ultra, it is a bit curved or rounded. Okay. For the flexible silicone strap, we do have a quick release pin here, the same size. But I like the design here of our Storm Ultra compared to the O23 Plus. Okay. Again, side by side. On the other side. Closer look. Let's check out the black border here. Going to change this to other watch face. Okay, both do have a wide black border on the bottom part and slim on right, left, and top. Okay, section. So which do you think is much better in terms of design? Okay, so for the UI, settings and options on top, notifications here for the 23 Plus. So it is the opposite. Dashboard here for common apps. Okay. So for the settings and options, it's on the side for the 23 Plus. So the 23 Plus do have a much better layout here. Then we do have the widgets. We don't have a widgets here for the O23 Plus. Instead, we have a popular apps here or menus on the bottom part. And if I'm going to swipe it from right to left, there's no widgets. We have it here on the Storm Ultra or the O23. To access the menu, just press and that's it. Okay. So that's our comparison review of the O23 Smartwatch Storm Ultra compared with our iTel Fit O23 Plus. Comparison of design, specs, and UI. On our second video, we'll have a comparison review of the menus and features. Bye!